Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to make a superb resume that I hope by end of this video will help you get your resume ready in your hand. So resume is the face of a person, and you'd be surprised that more than 60 to 70% of resumes are not even looked at because of how they are written and how they are done. Today, I want to help you all design a simple resume that can help you get your application for your dream job ready. Remember, resume should be a document that gives a brief about who you are and what you have done. A CV is supposed to be a long form of a resume, which can be 3 or 4 pages with all the details of every job. CVs are used more for theory applications in universities and colleges if you're submitting a thesis, for example. But for work stuff, keep the resume. And 3 things that I want all of you to remember about a resume is, first of all, the length of the resume. Don't make it more than 1 page. You can make it 1 page by making it relevant to the role. And I will talk about that in the video now soon. The second one is the language that you use. Use simple language. Please use simple English, no flowery words. Keep the fonts and the type of fonts very professional. You can choose from the internet good professional font options and use that. And in terms of the template, you can use standard templates from internet. Whether it's single column to double column doesn't matter. Choose whatever you like, but a good basic template from internet. Don't try to make it too jazzy and snazzy. Nobody likes it. It's all about keeping the content crisp and smart. Now, once you've got these basic things done, now you go and start working on the resume. The first step in making the resume is the name. You put your name and then you put your current work experience, whatever is your work. If you're a fresher, write some keywords about what have you studied and where have you studied, if that makes some sense. Now, once you got your name done, get into the contact details. Here, you're going to mention the city, your phone number, mention a LinkedIn profile. It's said that if you mention your LinkedIn profile, your chances of getting recruited are almost 50% higher. When you mention the city, it gives the recruiter understanding of where can you be placed, in which city. Many people don't mention the city name, and I get always confused, like, where does this person want a job in? I would end up offering a job in Jammu and he would say he's in Chennai, so it becomes a bit difficult. So be very specific about these things. Now, if you're applying for social media marketing jobs, digital marketing jobs, you can also attach your Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel profiles as well, because there you'll be showcasing your work, and that will help them to really check the quality of the type of work you're doing. So don't hesitate to attach those things. The next one is your work history. Now, the reason I said is a resume has to be 1 page. Let's say, for example, you're applying for a technical sales role. Now, specifically highlight your sales experiences or technical experiences only. Maybe you don't have to mention things like which school you studied. You don't have to mention things that is not relevant for this particular job that you're applying for. That's how you can make it 1 page. Don't try and write all the job responsibilities under the work experience. Write keywords, like 3 or 4 keywords. For example, you can say current role, sales manager, driving sales team, coaching, developing, engage with customers. These are keywords you can use. So similarly, use keywords only. Don't write lines and lines and paragraphs and paragraphs. Every work experience can be 2 or 3 lines, keywords. That's enough. You can start with which company you worked and what years you worked in the company and what was your role in that company. Then you write 2 or 3 lines of what did you do in that company. This will keep it very small, sharp and smart. After that, you can, under each of the company, you can mention achievements as well. I would always mention 1 or 2 key achievements. Now make sure the achievements are significant and not something very basic and simple. So that's very important to mention good achievements. Once you do your achievements, then you mention skills. What have you learned as skills? Soft skills, technical skills, like conferences you've attended, training programs you've attended. That can be a separate section as well. after the work experience section. Try and use also keywords that the job ad has asked for. If the job says that we're looking for people with digital marketing background, now mention the digital marketing in your resume as well. They're saying that we're looking for people who are extroverts, mention that word as well in your resume. So even if it's a machine, it will pick up your resume. So once you've done that, then you go into the education section. Under the education section, write the last 3 recent education. If you're an experienced person, don't mention your 10th and 12th school and the grades and stuff. It's not relevant. If you're a fresh graduate and if your scores are very good in your 12th and 10th, then you can mention the 10th and 12th CGPA. Otherwise, just mention the school and the city of that school. That's basic information is enough. Now, this is enough for a basic resume. You don't have to go beyond this. It's not a rocket science. Now, I will try and see if I can show in this video an example, a template of a good resume which you can use. What is important is how do you bring some creativity. Now, if you're applying for any job, it doesn't matter if you can attach a video resume along with that in a soft copy as well. Take a 1-minute video, shoot a video about the company or about yourself introducing, attach it along with the resume. It will make you stand out. If you're applying for like video editing jobs, social media handling jobs, then attach sample videos of what you have done. Try and be creative about the resume within the one-page aspect. Remember, they want to notice you. In fact, I got noticed because of the word chase obscene success that I used in my resume. Somebody was very intrigued to meet me just because of that. So I hope this video helps you all create a basic, simple, nice, authentic resume. And this will help you apply for your dream job. And in the next video, I will talk about how do you get into this job application interview process and securing the job. So thank you so much for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till I see you next time, stay fit, stay positive, keep chasing obscene success. Thank you.